Companies juggle dozens of disconnected apps. Data is scattered, teams work in silos, and time is wasted switching between tools. As data is scattered, nothing works smoothly, nothing works collaboratively. Too much AI doesn't make you smarter, it makes your organization sick. Let's heal the sprawl. CloudOffix changes this. An AI-native platform where all your data and applications come together in one powerful digital hub. Your CRM, HR, projects, help desk and marketing apps are all connected. One customer record, one employee record shared across every module. And because every company is different, CloudOffix comes with a low-code builder. You can customize existing apps or even create brand new ones, all inside the same platform. Already using systems like Salesforce or SAP? CloudOffix can bring that data inside, so your team works in one place without switching tools. And with everything unified, AI finally works where it matters, on your business data. Build AI assistants and agents that act on your processes, not just generic text. CloudOffix turns complexity into clarity, so your teams can focus on growth, not juggling apps.